Friends, welcome to our channel Farmer Geeks. Today we will let you know about pepper cultivation and its health benefits. Pepper is a horticulture product. Pepper cultivation play a key role in India's export. It has cultivated in Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. In nature, agricultural practices, pepper can be cultivated as main crop as well as intercrop, with inputs of the harvested crop to be grown up to 25 meter apart in sloping areas. Take necessary precautions to prevent drainage of chemical cultivation land water in to nature agriculture land. Varieties: Panior 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Kirimunta, Kotta Natam, Supakara, Panchami, Purnima, Uttipil Lakal 1, Kalluvalli, Palakotta, IISR Shakti, IISR Devam, IISR Kirimutta, IISR Malabar Excel and Utrain Kota. Health benefit of pepper. High in antioxidants, free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your cells. Has anti-inflammatory properties, may benefit your brain, may improve blood sugar control, may lower cholesterol levels, may have cancer fight properties. A versatile spice. Now we will let you know about its cultivation. Soil and climate. Pepper crop mountainous area like Kanyakumari, Nilgiris, Kelbhavanilin, Tamil Nadu are mostly cultivated. Grows well in drained soil, in clay, sandy lands, and the crop does not grow well. If the soil pH is between 4.5 to 6.6 is better. Pepper crop needed rain and high temperature up to height of 1500 meters above sea level mountains, where the crop grows well in the region. Season June to December. The high quality pepper crop is cultivated in rain-fed. Breeding. Pepper crop breeding was done by vein cutting method. 1 meter long pepper vein can be taken with 2 or 3 nodes from the mother vein, can be sown in polythene bags. After the transplantation, the use of the rooted cuttings after the cutting gets root, the transplantation will be done. Seed and planting. Nursery production. In a acre where a good source of shade with water drainage facility, prepare 1 meter wide and 5.6 meters long beds. After dig the soil, prepare the beds. In each bed apply FYM 12 kgs, 5 kg of vermin composite, 250 g biofertilizer mixed with 5 kg sand and 5 kg red soil. To choose the runner shoots, grow on the base of the parent vine with desirable qualities near the selected runner shoots. Stick the support in the soil and bind the vine in the support. Do not allow the runner shoots to be root in the soil. In In the month of February March, with a 2-meter length of the runner shoots is to be cut from the mother vine and removed. At the top of the 1/3 of the runner shoots and bottom of the 1/3 should be removed, and middle part will be choose to prepare cutting. Young runner shoots and old runner shoots should be avoided. Cut the shoots with 2 to 3 knots to produce with a knife. These stem pieces bottom should be dipped 30 minutes with Panchagavya 3% solution and then planted it into the bed of polyethylene bags. In polyethylene bags 7 by 5 inch size to fill with a part of the fertile topsoil, 1 part river sand, 1 part vermicomposite in a mixture of a cow dung. Once 1 acre in a nursery bed supplying 250 grams of Zolpirilium, 250 grams of Phosphobacteria root internal fungal, and then mix with soil. Small holes need to be applied before the application of the fertilizer mixture in bags. Beds of polyethylene bags after planting stem cuttings. Pour enough water and put in a shade. Pour the desired amount of water to the lawn sprinkler. At the time of developing small budded takes 300 ml of Panchagavya mix with 10 liters of water and pour once in 15 days. Chanapai or bamboo polyethylene bags lined with polyethylene which sets shelters are arranged. The third week, the stem cutting rooted in polyethylene bags and ready for planting. Planting pepper shrubs. Spinding drumsticks, Zucchini, silver oak and Shubha bulb actively promoted for climbing base trees of pepper crop. When intercropping, cultivation of jack, cuckoo and coconut, spended drumstick, zucchi are cut stem used for planting. Plant this stem 1 or 2 months before planting of pepper vines, 3 or 4 years before planting seeding pepper vines. The climber tree seedlings to be planted. Biofertilizers and bioregulators. Well decomposed farmyard manure 12.5 t per hectare, 5 tons of natural bioenergy fertilizers, 5 ton of vermicomposite and 1.25 ton well composed coconut fiber manure should be applied. Alongside supplying biomanure, azospirillum, phosphobacteria, azitofactor and root internal fungal to be applied at the rate of 25 kg each, and apply Trichoderma viride and Pseudomonas fluorescensitae 2.5 kg each per hectare. Along this, apply 25 kg of rock phosphate before planting of stem cutting in the pits of aforementioned bioorganic fertilizer mixture, and mix well to pit against the antibiotics to be applied at the rate of 40 kg. Land preparation, sloping soil and water conservation measures in the areas of sufficient size to take when preparation to land. In our next video, let you know about weed management, water management, application of lime, fertigation, mulching, crop management, branching, insects management, mealybug and scale insects, leaf roll control measure, nematodes, disease control, harvest and post harvest details. Please do subscribe with us. Thank you for watching.